I preach that philosophical gospel with the belief that anything's possible. Defeat never being optional. Every word wielded as a weapon in my arsenal. They're microwaving up my atmosphere with metallic particles. The gullible to turn by the global warming articles. They're replaced with design artificial molecules. Myths up for those that don't think logical. I make sure every step I take is methodical. Reach out with my arms strapped and bionicle. Strangling the industry for rich injustice. It's a shame that we have to discuss this. Irreplaceable with the subject's history. In the flame that how they love it. Oh my God, play it to the public. Yo, you either hate it or you love it. As our people, they continue to be punished. Power over numbers. Lower class confined to the concrete bunkers. Junkies and headhunters. They're walking dead and infected with fear. In a world where there's no loyalty, it appears. Gears prep for the war before us. How do we continue to ignore such? No such thing as time, yet we still rush. Ear to the ground, I hear the earth plates bust. We living in disgust, let's go. It's still a jungle out there, niggas.